Wait, nawala ba yung tunog? Nawala yung tunog? Ano nangyayari? Nawala ba yung tunog? What the fuck? Ano nangyayari? Putang ina ngayon. Ulit. Sorry. Natago. Sorry. Natago. Ignore. Pag-ignore yun. Ulitin natin. Ay, ganda pa naman nun. Bad trip. Good evening!
Yay!
Tangina. Ay, nako, intro doggy pa. Kontrabida ka talaga. Kontrabida ka talaga. Kontrabida ka, putang ina. Nag-i-intro ko. Fuck! Alright. Ini-intro natin. Mabilis na stream lang to. Hopefully, mabilis lang na stream to. Hopefully. Hopefully. No! Bubuuin ko na yung kumpuan ko, tangina. Ang tagal na hindi ko na, excited na ako sa upuan ko. Excited na ako sa upuan ko. Alam ko na miss nyo si Bruno. Pero excited na ako sa upuan ko. Ayun ang gagawin natin today. We're gonna build my PC. We're gonna build my computer! Yes! Good evening everyone! At ba't di na gumagana tong mic ko? Holy shit. Good evening everyone! Alam kong ano tayo ngayon dito eh? Limited. Wala mo na tayong green screen. No green screens for today. Kasi, we're going down. We're going down to the floor. All of us, we're going to the floor. We're gonna open this shit. Bubuksan na natin yan. At, isi-set up ko na to. Enang yan. We're gonna set this shit up. Sa wakas, after so many fucking delays, we're gonna set this up. Wait lang, may way ba? May way ba para bigyan nyo ako ng background video? Wala eh, green screen. Ayoko pala buksan, madumi pala yung kwarto. Hindi, okay lang yan. Kailangan ko ng space. We need some space. Kailangan natin ng space for this. We need space, guys. Kasi ang laki nito, oh. Hindi nyo na nga makita, oh. Pero may isa akong camera dito. Kita ba? Marinig ba yung boses ko? Rinig ba? Ladies and gentlemen, new cam unlock? New camera unlock? Hindi ko alam paano ko nating bubuin to. How about the camera? Okay ba yung second camera? Ito yung temporary camera for now. Kailangan na natin buuin to. Diyos ko po. Ilang beses na na-delete to, putang ina. Oh my God. Ay! Rinig ba ako? Ang laki! Putang ina. Ang laki nito. Ang laki. Puta. Paano ko mabibuild to? Tara mo. Okay ba yung camera to? Okay. Is this okay? Kailangan na natin i-build to. I'm so tired. My back hurts. I want to open this. I'm so tired. Holy shit. Holy shit, I'm so tired. Tangina. Kamusta kayo dyan? Kamusta muna kayo? How are you guys? My back hurts. Ang sakit ng likod ko. Ang sakit. I just deleted for some time. Tapos my back hurts. Tapos itong mic ko sira na. We still miss Bruno. Mamaya na si Bruno! Tangina, kumakanta pa yun ng I wanna be a billionaire and some shit. Ako muna. We're gonna build this chair. Ang tagal na na-delay to, 1 linggo. Baka lagpas na ako sa warranty. Tangina. Fuck, oo nga. Baka lagpas na ako sa warranty. God damn it. Ilan ba warranty? Ilan ba typically na warranty? Ay, wait lang yung address ko. Shit. Ay, kita pala yung address. Guys, are you ready? Guys! Guys, are you ready? Guys! I'm so weird! Pala, nagpa-manicure din ako. Nagpa-cutics ako. I'm so fabulous. I'm so fabulous today. Ang fabulous ng nails ko. Like, very beautiful nails. So, ayun na. Buksan na natin tong putang inan to. Oh, shit, yung camera ko. Okay lang ba ganitong view? Oh, slayable ako. So, I'm so slayable tonight. I'm always slayable. Every day. There's not a time that I'm not slayable. I'm always slayable. You guys gonna buy anything for... Wala na! Naupos na ako! Napunta dito sa upuan yung pera ko! Fuck! Wala na Black Friday! Na 11-11 na ako! Wala na! Wala na natira! God damn it! Ah! Sa Amerika kasi, kapag yung mga tech stuff, easy, super bagsak presyo ng mga sales. Parang yun na naman yung sale sa Amerika. Pero wala na. Desert Doggy, wala na. Ubus na. 11-11 pa lang kinain na ako. I've been eating. 11-11 pa lang. Tangina, ang laki ng box na to. Iangat ko ba yung... Oh, nabudol agad ako. Angat ko ba yung camera? Iangat ko ba yung camera? Tingnan nyo. Would it be more viewable pag mas taas? Mahal nito! Hulaan nyo kung magkano to. Tangina, search mo sa Lazada, Sihoo. M57 Pro. Sihoo. S-I-H-O-O. M57 Pro. Kung ni-sponsored lang tayo ng TT Racing, okay lang eh. Pero hindi! This came from my pocket! Alam kong importante ang back health. Okay? Back health is more importanter. Putang ina, 10 minutes pa lang, bubuksan ko pa lang ikaw. Tangina, 10 minutes, bubuksan ko pa lang itong putang inang tong kahon. Tangina ngayon. Ang lak. Tangina ng kahon to, ba't ang laki? Ang laki ng kahon. Buisit. Ayun na. Huhubaran ko na yung kahon. Huhubaran ko na. Paki-sensor ah. Kids! Close your eyes! Kids, close your eyes! Huhubaran ko na tong kahon. God damn it, ang hirap. Ang hirap. It's so fucking hard, bro. Huhubaran ko na to ha. Oy, close your eyes. Close your eyes, kids. Kids, close your eyes. Kids, close your eyes. Ito na nga, ayun na. Diyos ko. Gusto ko ubaran eh. Gusto ko ubaran. Ah! Oh my God! Look at this, look at this. Ah! Kita niyo yung brand? Kita niyo yung brand? You see the brand? What does it say? Guys, what does it say? What does it say, guys? Guys, what does this say? Fuck! Walang nagsasalita. Anyway, this is See Who. See you, chair. I see who. I see you, guys. I see you. Woo! Oh! Look at this! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Ah! 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 See you! Ah! baka magtaka bigla. Anong nangyari? What's happening to the stream? Ah! Oh God. Guys, ASMR. Ready na kayo sa ASMR? ASMR! This is ASMR! Wait lang! ASMR! Are you guys listening to the ASMR? You guys, do you hear it? ASMR, baby! ASMR! Let's go! Yan na. ASMR! Do you guys know the term ASMR? There. Oh! It's open! Guys! Are you ready? Guys, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? For the best the best unboxing video in the world. I'm ready to see the Oh! Guys! My God! Wait, guys. Let me join you the experience. Let me join you guys. Guys, are you ready? Guys, are you ready to see this? Guys! Are you ready, guys? Alright. Shit, wait lang. Off ko lang tong settings. Ayan, okay. We're gonna put the box. Ah! Are you ready? Oh my god, it is the best unboxing video in the world. Ah! 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 Oh my god, look at this. I see it. Ah! Oh my god. Look at this! Lupit ng... Oh my gosh! Look at this! Ah! Oh my... Oh my god! Are you ready to see the inside? Look at this! Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Matagal-tagal tong i-build. Holy shit. Matagal-tagal tong i-build. This is gonna take a lot of fucking time, bro. Oh my god. This is gonna take a lot of time. Wait lang. Matagal namin makikita. Ba't ba? This is unboxing. This is Kuya Omega unboxing. Okay? Look at this. Do you see it? Do you see the box? Oh my god, look at this. Ang bigat, gago. Ang bigat. Kailangan ko ng 2 hands. Wait. I think I need 2 hands for this shit. Wait lang. Need ng 2 hands. Masyado siyang mabigat. God damn it. Ah, hindi yan. Fuck! Wait lang, hindi. Mabilis lang to. Just come. Kalma lang kayo! Ano pa yan? Ito naman, ang baba-baba ng tingin sa akin eh. Wait lang! The headrest... Oh, ba't ganyan? Ano nangyari? Are you guys? Ayan. Are you guys back? Okay na kayo? Okay na kayo? Are you okay? So this is the rest. This is the neck rest. This is the neck rest. You see it? Guys, do you see the neck rest? Guys! Do you see the neck rest? Do you see this? Guys, can you see this? Can you see the neck rest? Guys, can you see the neck rest? This is the neck rest. This is for the neck. Next! Oh my god, this is gonna be so tiring. Holy shit. We're gonna open it like this one. Do you see it? Kita ba? O puro reklamo na naman kayo, tangina. Do you see it? Yay! Oh my god. Is this wrong idea?
Oh my god.
Diyos ko, parang ganito din yung video na. Guys, can you see the chair? Guys, can you see the chair? Can you see the chair? This is unboxing! Look at this. Tayo yung knees. Oy, guys, shut the fuck up. Look at this. This is the armrest. One armrest. Can you see the armrest? This is one armrest. We're gonna unbox it. Oh, wait. Let's remove the neck rest. This is the neck rest, guys. We're gonna remove it from the plastic so you can see it properly. Okay? Hey guys, welcome to the stream. I'm unboxing and gonna build my chair for 5 hours. So this is the neck rest. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look at this. Oh my, this is like when you do this, like you hear it? You see it like that? Oh shit. It fell. But that's how you do it. That's for the neck rest. Next is for the armrest. This is where you rest your arm. Wait, guys, why are you hating? Why are you hating my chair stream? What's wrong? This is the best unboxing of Shihu. No, stop with the pustahan. Pustahan is bad. Gambling is bad. Guys, this is so protected. Holy shit. This is so protected. Tingnan mo, ang daming cover, oh. Too many protections for the Shihu. Shihu M57 Pro. This is not sponsored. I hope they sponsored me after this. Shihu. Please sponsor me. Stay up for Eto na, I'm unwrapping it, bro. I'm unwrapping it. Shut the fuck up. I'm unwrapping it now. This is just for one armrest. As I've said, we don't have time for multiple stream. We only have for one. Unboxing the chair stream. I cannot open it properly, bro. God damn it. Wait. Let me get the scissors. Guys, if you're enjoying the stream, if you'd like me to finish this chair unboxing, follow the stream. Yeah, it's so protected. It's gonna follow the look at this. Holy shit. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Wait. It's almost there. It's coming. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is so protected. This is so protected, guys. God damn it, I can't open it. Wait. I'm already scissoring it. Guys! This is armrest! Look at this. Do you see it? Do you see oh my god, this is the beautiful armrest. Look at this.
Wow.
Wait, I need to do this. What the fuck? What's this? What the hell? Look, it can spin. Look. It can do this. And it can do this. For just wait, bro. Just wait, okay? Next. Next. What's this, guys? We have a starfish. Guys, we have the starfish. Can you see the starfish?
Oh my god.
We have the starfish. The propeller for the chair. This is the boomerang. When you throw this on the window, it will come back. It will come back if I throw this. Alright, we're gonna scissor it again. I like scissoring. Oh, there we go. We're gonna make this fast. The people are so tired. They are excited for the chair. 1 hour for unboxing. 2 hours for building the chair. That's the stream. Let's go. Just wait for this, okay? This is gonna be the best chair, okay? Let's unbox the propeller. This is the propeller for the chair. Alright, guys. Excited for the chair?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe around 5 o'clock. I'm already done here, okay? 5 in the morning. Around 5 in the morning. Oh my god, there's free rubber bands. Holy shit. Here you go. Look at this. Oh my god, it's made of steel. Guys, this is made of steel. Can you see this? Guys, can you see this? This is made of steel. This is made of metal. Wow. Oh my god, this is so clean. Look at this, guys. This is the propeller. This is the propeller of the chair. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. It's so technical. You hear that sound? It's fucking heavy. I gotta be honest. This is fucking heavy. It's so fucking heavy. Like, bro. Right, next. Another armrest. We are so lucky. We're so lucky. We're gonna get another armrest. But two? What? So, oh my god. This is the chair. Look at this. It's made of plastic. So many plastics. Look at this. Earth is dying. Shout out to Earth for dying. There you go. This is a special stream. Not very action. But I will try to make it. To make it more action. No shit! Fuck. Oh my god. I hope this is still okay. Holy shit. That's loud. That was loud. Holy shit. Oh my god, look at this! They gave us another armrest! No armrest! Wait, which one's the left and the right? We got a box! We got a styro! We got free styrofoam! We got free styrofoam! Here come guys, here's the main event. The backrest! Look at this! It's not opaque. You know there's like many things like opaque, it's very hot. I chose this one because it's much colder. That's why I choose not a gaming chair. Gaming chairs are a scam. That's my opinion on it. I rather use ergonomic chairs instead of gaming chairs. Because gaming chairs are scams. Except for TT Racing. TT Racing, are you here? You're good. You're the only legit gaming chair. If you sponsor me though. Well, I bought black. Holy shit, I bought black. Look at this! It's in Chinese!
At this moment, he knew.
Oh, it's not. No, bro,
fucked up.
it's not. When you get to a certain age, monoblock chair sucks. Okay. I thought they gave me a wrong chair. No, Desert Doggy. When you try an ergonomic chair, your back pain no more. Believe me. I was a monoblock chair guy when I was young, but after AI, what you call that? Yeah. After the Fire Nation attack, the ergonomic chairs attack. I'm great. I'm great now. It's like when you have an ergonomic chair, your back will thank you. Even though your back can't say any words, your back will thank you. Believe me on that. This is the butt shit. This is for the butt. Oh my god, it's so clean. It's black. I bought the black one. So we're gonna have this. I hope it's not in Chinese. I hope it's not in Chinese because I won't understand shit. What a world record! Before we start, let's find the pieces. Let's find the pieces. Let's try to check the pieces first by reading this. By reading this piece of shit manual. It's in Chinese. What the fuck?
By the way, this is the other parts. This is the other parts, by the way. This is gonna take a while, bros. Bro, this is gonna take a while. Oh shit! Okay.
We got other pieces. We got the wheels. Wait, why it's five? Why it's 5 wheels? Oh yeah. We got the wheels. I'll unbox it too. First, we need to check the parts. This one. If we have all of them. We have all of them. Lego for the bros. Yes, sir. Hello, ice cream. Yeah, this is Lego for the bros. God damn. This is so tiring. It took me 30 minutes to unbox the chair. Alright, this is the wheels. Let's open one. Look at this. Oh my god. You see this? Oh my god. Look at this. It's so clean. The wheels are clean. Look at this. It's very clean. You're just watching. How are you tired? Are you? Do I look tired? I'm not tired, bro. I'm not. No, it's not gonna go at 5 a.m. Bro, I'm gonna do this fast, okay? Believe me. This is the last part. So let's check everything. Oh, this is the metal. Oh my god, you have so much pieces. What the fuck? Fuck you. Of course it's supposed to be faster. You bitch. Let's check the part first. Wait, let me just... We're gonna check the parts. The wheel. We got 5. We got 5 wheels. Check. Next, the propeller. 1 propeller. There you go. One propeller. And then this. What the fuck is this? What is that? Wheels. You got the wheels? You got the wheels here? I think I'm gonna use the camera on my iPhone so you can guys hear me. Wait, how can I do that? I'm gonna pagpag it later. I'm gonna pagpag it later, bro. Trust me. Trust the process. Trust the process, gang. Maybe I can put it on the floor. So pagpag at 5. No! No! What do you mean pagpag at 5? No! We're gonna do this fucking fast. Bitch! Guys, can you hear me?
Oh, yes.
These nails? Is this it? Is this shit? Oh shit! What the fuck is this? Kulang ba? Oh no!
Oh no!
God damn it. Bakit kasi magsasend ng picture ng gano'n kasi di pala need? Puta. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, let's double check it. So here, we have the chair. Wait, is this for the butt? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Oh wait. What is this? Huh? I'm so confused, guys. Oh! This is the armchair. This is the armrest.
Stupid.
Oh god damn it! It doesn't look like. It's the armrest. What the fuck is this? Okay, this is the seat. What the hell is this? Oh wait, that's the neckrest. What a fucking picture! It's so bad. Oh, that's. Oh no, we got it. Easy. It's so easy. Okay, I think everything looks good. We have the pipe. And then we have three small nails, and then we have 5 big nails. All right, we're ready. We're ready, guys. Guys, are you ready? Guys, are you ready? Whoa, Matrix! All right. God damn it, this is so tiring. Okay. I agree with Desert Doggy. It's tiring. First step, we insert the wheels. All right, we insert the wheels. Guys, we need to insert the wheels. We need to put the wheels on the propeller. Here. All right, this is not tiring for the viewers. The viewers are having so much fun.
Oh,
There you
yes.
go. Oh my god, this is so heavy. I gotta be honest, it's so heavy. This is so fucking heavy. Time it, 9:49 p.m. 1, 2, 3. Oh! 1, 2. No 10,000 years later. No 10,000 years. This is a speed run. 3. Minutes am I? How many minutes? 4. Need to rush it. Speed run. Okay. Alright. The wheels are connected. Look at this. It's moving. Alright. Next step. Where are we? We're gonna put the metal bar onto the propeller. We're gonna put this. Wait, where am I? Yeah, we're gonna put this. We cannot take our time easy. This is a speed run. I want to be the best worlds. Wait, the world's best installer man. Okay, we insert it. We insert the metal. And then step 3. On the butt, we need to insert the armrest. That's step 3. Okay, we have this now. We're gonna put this first. It might break something though. That's true. But so far so good, it's okay. Look, it's okay. Thank you for the concern, Easy. But so far so good, it's good. We need to put the armrest. The butt shit. Oh my god, so heavy. Okay, I'm gonna flip it because we're gonna put the armrest somewhere there. We need to do this step. So I need to put it here? Wait, here? Wait. Oh my god, it's so hard. Holy shit. Wait, what's the back? Where's the front and the back? Where's the front and the back of the shit? Oh my god, I hate this. What? Where's the front? Okay. Oh, wait. Alright, it's not about 5 o'clock. 4:30. No, not 4:30 only. Shut the fuck up.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna do this fast. Wait, where is the... I'm so confused. This is the hole. This is the circle. And then I think we're gonna put it here. I think we're gonna put it here. So it's like... Like that? Right? It's like that, right? God damn it! It's... wait. I think I get it. It's like I don't know which part, which is which for the part, which is for the right and which is for the left. There's no label. Which one is for the left? Follow it. should I follow it?
God damn it, I hate construction. God damn it, I hate construction working. Fuck! What the fuck?
Guys, can someone search it? YouTube. Can someone search a YouTube CU M57 Pro installation? Can someone do that for me?
What the fuck? Wait. Fuck this shit! Trident's deal damage now. Yeah? Also, skill issue. Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up, Draken! I'm gonna build this shit. Okay, guys, we're gonna find a YouTube video. It sucks! This shit sucks!
What the fuck? What do you mean just wing it? I can understand this. You know, dyslexic? What's fucking in China? I don't know. Can someone search it? What the fuck? Does it not go in? Oh my god, do I need tools? Do I need tools? What's a fucking chow? It's not! Man, we have tools. We have tools here.
It's Chinese enemy. Pabalik mo ba? No, bro, that's racist. Chinese item subs have been stronger. Look at BYD. The car.
Yeah, I think it looks good. I think it looks good. Oh no! What the fuck? It's not! It's spinning! What the fuck? It's spinning! Look! It's maluwang! It's maluwang! Why is it maluwang? There's more holes, bro. Yes, but the nails is not more! What do you mean? What do you mean holes? Yeah, I like holes. Wait, maybe I need to spin it more? What the fuck? Then the nails, bro. I only have two nails. What the fuck? Wait. I think I got it. Is there no extra hole for... There is extra hole, but I don't have nail. I don't have the nail. I have the hole, but I don't have the long thing. I only have the hole. It's like, I have this thing. It's like this. But I only have one nail. Like... It's not very fun. Okay, maybe here? Are you sure? There may be more bolts, not somewhere. I can't drink cold drinks. Why? What happened? Why can't I drink cold drinks? Can you see it? It irritates the nerve of my stomach.
Oh shit.
I have this. I have only this. That's why I'm gassy. Okay, we're not gonna drink cold drinks anymore, okay? Easy. But I don't know which hole. Which hole should I insert this shit? Which hole? Because there's multiple. There's one here, and there's one here. I aligned the holes. And there's only one. There's other one, but it's for the other hand. It's for the other hand. Okay, you drink one warm water, okay? Is it okay? Is it good that I put it here? Okay, I'm just gonna wing it. Holy shit. I'm just gonna wing it. What the fuck, man? I put it here, and then I'm gonna use this to tighten it. Papasok ko na to sa butas. Tapos, pag sinuksok ko na to... What the fuck? It's not spinning! Ba't di pumapasok? Fuck! Hindi pumapasok! Ang sikip! Fuck! Inalanin ko na siya sa butas! Hindi pumapasok! Alright. Okay, I think we're doing... No. I think this is correct. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Oh, shit, no, don't do that. Alright. Let's put it another angle. I hold it, and then this is... Oh, shit! What happened? This is already hand, look. I already charged it like this. But it's like, why it's not tight enough? Like, I already gave my all. I already tightened it. There's so many nails. Oh my god, is this... God damn it, I hate this shit, man. Look, it's moving like this. Look, it's moving like this. This shit's not normal, right? Or maybe does it need to be touched like that? Oh, I'm not gonna do a glue first, bro. I'm scared of doing glues. Okay, maybe I'm gonna do this first, okay? I'm gonna do this first. Wait, how many hours am I? how many hours am I now?
How many hours?
Ah! It's so fucking heavy, holy shit. This shit's so heavy, man. It's annoyingly heavy. It's annoyingly heavy. Now I'm gonna put the other one. You think it's here. It's fucking heavy. I hate it. Ah, shit! See you M57 Pro. Hi, Boshi. See you M57 Pro.
Ang ina nasira ata. Sihu. Putang ina, ang hirap. Ang upo. Ah! Ang bigat! Ang inang yan. There you go.
How about this one? Okay. Masakit na yung likod ko, Boshi. My back needs this.
Pero putang ina, mas sumakit pa yung likod ko. Installing this shit.
Sakto dun sa nakasulat sa Draken. Sakto yung number of bolts and nails and shit. Wait, what? Baliktad ba?
Ah! Fuck! Baliktad ba?
Patulong ka sa APs.
Katang inang yet.
Ang hilig mo sa APs sa Boshi, ah! Tangina yan. Wait, what? Nasa may harap? Ala, baliktad! God! Baliktad! This is so shit. I'm tired. Wait.
I have no clue what accent I have. Do I even have an accent?
Oh my god, thank you for the meme, Draken. I take back what I said. It's gonna end at 6. No!
No! It's not!
Na end properly. Ano oras ba? 10:10 pa lang, oh. I have work. Putan luwang. Ikot mo nga yung upuan. What do you mean ikot yung upuan? It's so heavy. Ayun, oh. Wait, ano ko ulit? Si camera. Parang baligtad nga. It's not. Okay nga. Parang baligtad, pero yun kasi sabi dito sa saan yung backrest? Ayun sabi, tinan mo. Ayun o. Yung harap, nandun sa sa puta.
Ang ina nito!
Guys, wait lang, manonood ako ng video. Sana Indian. Wait lang. Tingnan muna natin yung YouTube. Okay? Mabili, isang
Isang panood lang ng YouTube. Okay?
Putang, mic ko pa nalalaglag. M57 Sihu M57 Pro installation. Wait lang. We got this. And 2 minutes and 35 seconds video. 2 minutes and 35 seconds video.
One eternity later.
Installation guide. Oh, sakto. Accessories, installing castors and gas lip. Chair base, gas lip. Putang ina, pinlas pa ako. Tangina na sira yung video. Ang ina nyo. Okay, nagawa ko na yan. Puta, nagba-black screen yung... Tama nga.
One eternity later.
Bakit baka baligtad? Tang ina nyo.
Oh shit, not good.
Tama naman eh. Baligtad eh. Ano ba yung mga kontrabida na yan? Ang daming kontrabida. Ba't ang daming kontrabida? Di ako ng viewers na mga kontrabida. Ba't ganyan? Bakit ganyan? Anong invalid speedrun? Valid to. Puta. Ba't kasi ganyan ang umiikot? Tarantado. Ano ulit sa umpisa? Tangina ka, pagod na ako.
Oh shit, not good.
Nanonood ako ng video because bigla kayo magpa-flash. Putang ina yan. Guys, nakita niyo yung nails ko? It's white. Alright. There you go. Hindi yun yung sabi ng steps, bro. Anong fit? Hindi yan yung inano ko mga viewers, ha. Hindi mga manlibog viewers ko. Pasok mo muna yung ko sa armrest tapos i-line up mo. Mali. Anong mali? Yun! Di ata pumasok, pre. Paano hindi pumasok, pre? Ayun na. Pumasok yan! Putang inang problema to. Nandito yung screw! Putang... Ang oras na ba? Tang ina... Hindi! Wala pang isang oras to. Shut the fuck up. Ayun. May nakita akong smart move. I'm so smart. Ang ina nyo. Look at this. Pinatong ko sa kahon para hindi maabusado yung ano ko, armrest. Yan, pantay, no? Pantay? Para di gagalaw at matutok mo yung screw from the outside. Tama? Pantay?
Pinadala ng ayos na!
Ay lang yan. Ba't kailangan ko pa ayusin? Naipit yung daliri ko. Fuck! Spoiled na bata na di marunong mag-asa. Tangit! Fuck you! Di ako spoiled. Pag to na build ko, shut up ka na lang.
Oh shit, not good.
It takes time pero it took too much time, pre. It's for the content. Nagjo-joke lang ako. Kaya ko talaga 'to na mabilisan. Ginagawa ko lang 'to para tumagal yung stream. Damn! Talaga oh. Kala nyo naman, nag-acting lang ako.
One eternity later.
Kasi pag na-build ko agad 'to, tapos agad. Mukha yun yung reklamo nyo, di ba? Tinatagal ako para sa inyo. Yun, clip farmer ako. Yan, now you believe. Clip farmer kasi ako at hindi ako spoiled. Okay? Pinaghirapan ko lahat ng problema ko. Hindi ako umasa sa nanay tatay ko. I'm just clip farming. Hindi ako rage baiter. Iiyak kayo pag tapos na agad yung stream. Di ba? So, ang ginawa ni Kuya Omega nyo, tinagalan ko para sa inyo. Yes! Wow! Nag-acting lang to. Scripted. Ika nga. Scripted. This is scripted. Okay? Scripted to. Ay talaga oh. Kala nyo, ganito ako ka-spoiled at di marunong mag-ayos ng bagay? Ay talaga oh. O pag ito natapos ka agad, ay! Anong stream yan? Ay, ba't blanco yung chat mo, Doggy? Emoji. Rookie versus FX Predator. Tangina nyo! Ano pa? Nanonood! Is the stream back? Hello? Am I back? Thank you. Okay. Tapos, kailangan ko gamitan ng utak. I need to use my brain. Sandal mo sa table, man. Mabigat yan. Ang bigat nga eh! Einstein! We are the Einstein. God damn it, di pantay. Di pantay. Slow run. Ano slow run, atep? Sa ilalim! Sa ilalim! Okay. Alright. Ang bobo nyo eh. Hindi nyo ako sinabihan. Kung mali ako, ang bobo nyo talaga eh.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Galingan naman natin. Di ko tinuruan yung mga viewers ko na ganyan. Ayun o! Puta, lang yan. Ano ba yan? O yung mama pala oh. Ay, Diyos mio. Sa Giant, rage baiting. Damn! See who ang pangit ng instructions ha? See who. Pero if you guys gonna sponsor me a new chair, dahil nasira ko na tong chair na to, I would be glad.
Wow.
I would be happy, okay? Crew, lahat na nagtatrash talk sa akin ha, pakita mo out 5 seconds. Gusto natin ng positive community, okay? Hindi natin kailangan, we don't need nega.
One eternity later.
Everything you see here is acting, okay? See you? This is the best chair installment in the world. Please share this To our fellow Sihu employees. To let them know how easy to install their product. Ay, gago, nasira ko ata. What? What if pasok ko na? Parang ihanda ko na siyang ipasok, pero hindi ko pa siya ilulublob. Ipapasok ko lang. Feeling ko, hindi lang mo siya mag-isa. Feeling ko may katulad sa ibang mga Chinese eh. Higa mo yung sandalan sa floor. Hindi ka, nakiga na! Nakiga na sa floor. Ayun na, nakiga na oh. Problema, hindi ko mapantay. Nakiga na siya. Nagpapahinga na siya. Problema, for some reason, hindi ko pa rin mapasok. Nung rage baiter, pasok ka sa Discord, tulungan ako. Wait, I can do this! Easy, I can do this. Okay? Please, don't give me up. Tayo na wala kasing flashlight, hindi ko makita. Wait. I'm cooking. Pinantay ko na. Nahanap ko na yung butas. Papasok ko na siya. Feeling ko, sana lumubog to. Hindi nga ako rage baiter. This is not rage baiting, okay? Hindi na siya lumulutang. Iside mo kasi bro. Hindi yun yung sa video eh. Easy, hindi yun sa butas. Sira na butas niyan, maluwag na. Ayoko yung super glue. Hindi pwede. Walang super glue. Cheating yun. Glitch speedrun yun, tangina. Speedrun lang tayo. No glitch. Hindi tayo any percent, okay? Pati hindi ko sinundan lahat doon. Sinundan ko. I believe. I follow everything. Builder ako, bro. Ako na. Wait ka lang! Magkano mo nakuha yung table? Anong table? Yung table? Yung table pre Ace Hardware.
Oh shit, not good.
Okay, bossy. Yung table ko, Ace Hardware picnic table. Foldable picnic table. Pakita ka lang ng Ace Reward. Pagpakita ka lang ng Ace Reward, may discount na 500 pesos. Hindi pa ako makakapag, naubos na yung pera ko. Mahal-mahal na mga TT Racing na table eh. Pero nakuha ko to na 9K. Hindi pa kasi nakakabit lahat, okay, bossy eh. Pag nakabit na lahat, parang okay na eh. Anong mura pa yan? Easy ang mahal-mahal nito. Anong mura? Bakit ba? Pantay to! Tangina, wala kayong trust. Ayun, pantay oh! Pantay! Oh! Pantay oh! Anong hindi pantay? Ang hirap. Wala kasi akong space. Kaya mahirap buuin. Pag natapos ko to, madali na to eh.
Wow!
Alin yung di pantay, Akiboshi?
Alin yung di pantay?
Gilid, boss. Alisin mo ulit tapos harap ka sa monitors mo. Bubula! Hindi ba pantay? Ulitin ko to lahat? Uy, ano ba yan? Tangina! Okay na eh! Tangina nyo. Bubulagin nyo lang ako eh. Sabi na nga ba eh. Tangina nyo. Okay, tapos ipapasok ko na siya dito. Guys! Malapit!
One eternity later.
Anong 3 hours? 2 hours? 12 minutes lang yung stream. Ang bilis! Ang bilis na buo! Bro! Look at this! Happy ko sa inyo, easy! Ang dali lang nito. 12 minutes? 12 minutes lang yung stream. Nabuo ko agad. Oh my God. Walang hirap. Easy. Oh, may akong keychain oh. Tangina, mga ganito kayo eh. Feeling ko ganito yung mga reaction nyo, tangina eh. Ito yung reaction nyo eh. Putang inang mic to. Puta, galaw ng galaw, puta. Mas cute pa din yung akin. Yung nga eh. Binigay ko yan eh. Ayun o. Cute keychain. Alright. Woo! Last step, guys. We did it. Guys, headrest last. Madali na lang. For the moment of truth. Bakit may isang nail dito?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Okay lang yan.
Oh shit, not good.
Anyway, moment of truth. Moment of truth! Guys! By the power! Ah! 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 12 minutes! And, gano'n, 15 minutes and 40 seconds lang yung stream! Natapos natin! Bakit gumaganon? Ba't bumababa? Paano siya nakalock? Wait lang. Paano? Gumaganon oh! Tapos isang... Oh, baba! Ba't ganon? Wait lang! Wait lang! Baka, it's a feature guys! Guys, it's a feature! Pero paano ko siya ilalock? Wait lang. Guys, it's a feature. Guys, it's a feature. Okay, shut the fuck up. It's a feature.
It was at this
Right?
moment he
Pag
knew.
inangat ko to, kailangan ko
He
hanapin yung
fucked
back ko, tapos ikutin ko. Tapos hindi na siya malalaglag once na malock. Wait lang! Ba't ganon? Reset ko na lang yung modem. Tangina layo, idiin yun! Tangina! Bakit ganon? Wait lang. Nasaan yung... Putang lock ka pang... Wait lang! Mangatot kayo eh! Wait lang. Wait ka lang. Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Hindi siya sira. CEO solutions more like CEO problems! Tangina, nasan na yung... yung F57 Pro! Tangina, bakit ganon? Ayun! Putang ina nyo. I found it. Aangat mo muna ng konti. Aangat nyo muna ng konti. Kasi inyo maglalak. Ayan, so ito na yung CU M57 Pro. Hindi, putang ina, hindi na natin need installation ulit. No, tangina nyo. Pagod na ako. So ayan, review. M57 review. Ayan. So, ito yung upuan. Ito yung M57 Pro. Oh, iaangat ko siya. Iangat ko siya. Ba't ayaw umangat? Sihu! Ayan, puta! Sihu kasi ang pangit ng ano eh. Ng directions eh. Oh guys, ito yung Sihu. Ito yung Sihu guys. -1 potential. I mean, I love Sihu. I love him. I love the chair. Wow. I love Sihu. Please sponsor. So ganyan siya. Pwede mo siya iangat na ganyan. Or pwede mo siyang ibaba. Pwede nyo siya iangat. Ayan. Tapos, adjustable to. Ayan o. Ba't parang sikip? Ba't ganito? Parang hindi comfy. Akala ko naman mas maganda to. Akala ko, ito yung reclining. Ito yung reclining. Kaya ko na reclining. Kaya ko. Yes! Kaya ko na reclining. Nakasagad na to. Ito na, sagad na siya. Yan yung pinakasagad. O kumari, tapos mo sa work. Kumari, your work is just done. It's time to rest. Streaming to a bunch of haters. Complete. We're done. Ganon. Ayun o. It's like, I'm done. Yes. Kinabahan kayo? Bakit kayo kinabahan? Akala mo may makikita kayo? Wala! Naku, I show speed. Yes! I show speed. Naka-double shorts ako for this occasion. So, ito yung ito yung CU M57 Pro. Kaya ko. Reclining. Paano ko siya tanggalin? Paano ko tanggalin yung reclining? How to remove the reclining? Paki-ignore yung kalat. Putang, ano ba yung operation kasi? Ang kulang. Okay, angat to adjust height. Up. Tapos. Yan. Wait, paano siya ibalik? Fuck! Paano ibalik? Oh! Ayun. Oh. Hindi ako fan nito. Parang ang lapit masyado. Pero, no. Guys, ito yung M57 Pro. Ang sarap. Feeling ko, guys, magiging platinum na ako. Magiging platinum na ako sa Apex after this.
It was at this moment he knew.
Yes.
He fucked up.
Magiging pro na ako sa Apex. Okay, let's see. Para Apex, mag-Apex ako. Kuwari ganyan. Ilalagay kay camera. So, kuwari nakasandal na ako, di ba? Kuwari nakasandal. Ayun na. Kita niya, para pag nakasandal ako, kita. Ayun na. Tapos, pwede ko siyang i-forward. Pwede ko i-forward yung camera. Ay, yung camera. Anong meron sa camera? Bakit? So, pwede ditong i-forward. Pwede nyo i-forward yung armrest. Pwede nyo i-forward. Ay, puta, camera.
Oh shit, not good.
Puta, nasan ba yung ko? Yung preview. Tangina. Ayun. Nalaglag pala kayo. Sorry. Nalaglag kayo. May bad. Guys, nalaglag kayo. So, ayun na. So, for example, ito yung M57 Pro. So, ito yung button, Iangat nyo to para mag-recline. Ayun, ang sarap, pre. Nakuha ko ng gold one. Nakuha ko ng gold one sa Apex. I need to rest. Ang sarap. Ang sarap siya. Masarap siya. Tapos, pwede siya mag-ganon. Pakita mo kami ng top straight. Kore, ganyan. Mandito ko. Top straight! Tapos, mag-ano ko, mantle jump. Space! Ayun. Tapos, kore, wow! Nice team! Yes, champion! Pahinga muna tayo. Putang ina nyo, binulag nyo pa ako, tarantado. Ero! Putang ina mo! Sa susunod na yun, it's Silky. Ngayon, inayos ko pa tong F57 Pro. Ang sarap. I like this. Mukhang matibay siya, kaya siya sa weight ko. Kahit mabigat ako, sobrang bigat ko. Mga 200 kilos ako eh. I'm 200 kilos. M57 Pro, see who?
Sponsor me! I love your product! I love the neck below! Look!
Limit test? What do you mean limit test? Ayun Kore. Shit. Matatay na ako. Ayun Hindi ko na kailangan tumayo. Kasi the wheels is so strong. For example, ganyan. Anak, nasan ka na? Wait lang, Nay! Yeah! Tapos, for example, gusto mo na mag-serious, kuwari talo ka na, two strict loose, adjust may reclining. Nandiyan yung third party? Get ready! Di ba? Ganon! Guys, M57 Pro. Tapos, meron pa tong adjust na ng lumbar. Sihu, are you watching Sihu?
Guys, pakitag si Sihu! This is the best review!
Meron pang lumbar support. Ayan it will lumbar. Ayan nandiyan ba yung likod mo? Lumbar lock. There you go. Okay, bossy. Kung nagtataka ka bakit nagdiretso ako ng Pro, meron kasi ako ng CU-M57. Ayan Problema sira na kasi Naka 5 years din ako dito sa upuan ko na to and wala akong back pain. Siu, are you watching? Wala akong back pain.
Hello?
I'm so happy with the chair. Guys, are we back? Guys, are we back? Okay na? Am I back? Okay, bossy, yung sira kasi yung mga pamangkin ko kasi pinaglalaroan yung armrest. Kaya yung nangyari dito, ganito na siya. Ay, nasira na yung bakal. Kasi pinaglalaroan ng mga pamangkin ko. Pero after 5 years na nangyari yun. Like after 5 years of usage, okay na siya. Pero pinaglaro kasi ng mga pamangkin ko, ganyan na siya. Pero okay pa siya. Pero bibigay ko sa mga moms ko to kasi may gear shift putang yan Sigil mo 9K. Guys, okay bossy, to forgive. To forgive is to forget. No, okay lang yun. So, ito yung Sihu M57, 5 years. Tumagal din sa akin. To be honest, tatagal pa ako dito Pero kasi parang yung moms ko kasi parang nahirapan na kaya baka ibibigay ko to sa moms ko. Tapos, itong M57 Pro! Can you do this? Guys, can you do that on your chair? Guys, can you do that on your chair? You can't because you're using monoblock shit. Bakit kaya hindi yung bago ibigay mo na sa mama pre? Okay, bossy, kapag bumili ka ng bagong iPhone, ibibigay mo ba yung bagong iPhone o yung lumang iPhone? Damn! At least may upuan! Ano ba yan? Paano naman ako? How about me? Oh, and there you go. Oh! How's the chat? Nag-enjoy kayo? Nag-enjoy kayo sa live stream?
Oh yes.
Sabi ko sa inyo, this is just acting, guys. Okay, acting lang to. Acting lang to. Dapat pares kayo naka M57 Pro. Wala akong pera! Medkay! Dati ata, yung CU M57, nabili ko ng 8K with vouchers. Ngayon, 10K na. Ang mahal. Hindi nag-give back sa community. Huwag kayong magala. Giveaway. Wait lang, hanap ako. Ito na lang. Instruction manual ng M57 Pro. Giveaway.
Oh shit, not good.
Oh guys, magba-battle royale tayo. Kung sino manalo sa battle royale, sa kanya na tong ano. Sa kanya na tong ano. Sa kanya na tong ito. Guys,
Kung sino man sa Battle Royale, sa kanya na to! Sa kanya na to! Ito picture ng babae, oh, sexy!
go! Eh mga kaibigan! Eh nagbububo para dito! Para dito! Sino manalo dito? Ayun na! Ayun na! Naku, kinuha ni Craig Health. Kinuha ni Craig Health Kit. Naku, si Desert Doggy mamatay na! Si Desert Doggy mamatay na! Yes! Papatay ko si Desert Doggy! Boom! Para dito! Sa instruction manual! Naku, si Akiboshi binugbog ako. Puta. Easy versus Akiboshi. Wow! And Akiboshi versus Crew Play. Sino man nanalo para dito? Para dito! Look, ang sexy oh! Ang sexy oh! Look at that! Wait lang, tinating may picture pa. Wala na, yun lang yung babae. Akiboshi! Akin yung address mo! Akiboshi!
Akin yung address mo! You win! Ang walang kwentang instruction manual ng Sihu!
You won! Look, ang sek... Kung izo-zoom mo. Yung, ganyan magiging mangyari sa likod mo. Nanalo ka! Congratulations! Look at... Guys, kung imagine mo, pwede mo pa. Pwede oh. Oh, look at that. May ruler oh. May ruler. Meron, guys, alam mo FHM, wala lang kwenta FHM. Ito na oh. Sulit ka na dito. Sulit ka na dyan. Tangina yan. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this short stream. 5 minutes lang tayo nagtayo ng ano, ng chair. 5 minutes lang. Ang bilis. Wow. Magiging babae ka? What? Hindi sana. Hindi sana magiging babae. Guys, hopefully na-enjoy niyo yung stream na yun. Oh, 5 minutes lang! What? Si Kuya Omega, 5 minutes niya pinuo yung chair? What? Unbelievable! Send nyo na yan sa sa speedrun community. Guys, iyan nyo na yan sa speedrun community. Iyan nyo na yan. I-post nyo na yan. I-post nyo na yan. What? What? Ang bilis! Try hard face reveal. Guys, for 110 followers, magpe-face reveal ako. Magpe-face reveal ako, 110 followers. Guys 2 followers na lang. 2 followers na lang. 2 followers na lang mga chong. Magpe-face reveal na ako, okay? Tangina yan. Oh, pala guys, you enjoyed the stream. 5 minutes. 5 minutes ko lang binuo. Putang ina, ba't naglalagtong putang inan to? Wait nga. Malalobat na yung ano ko, gago. Malalobat na yung cellphone ko. Gamit ko kasi iPhone eh. Guys, hopefully you enjoy the 7-minute stream. 7-minute unboxing. What you call that? Unboxing. Building. Building of the chair. 7 minutes lang. What? Ba't ganun delay yung aking video? Ba't delay yung audio? Guys, andali. Ang easy. Super easy to build. Tang-inang yan. Oh, wait lang. Lipat nga ako sa isang camera. Tangina, nagluloko isang camera eh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Andali. Guys. Hopefully, guys, you enjoy watching that quick stream of the chair. 7 minutes, 8 minutes lang. Nag-intro ko for 2 minutes. Binuksan ko lang yung
So unfortunately, the band stopped in 1994 after the lead singer tragically died.
Okay.
That's sad. That's horrible.
I think you did on purpose.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. You did it on... Oh, shit. No. Kid, no. Don't say that. Tangina. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching the stream. Hanap ako ng pwede kong i-raid. Sana, yung re-raidan ko, i-follow ako! Fuck! Hindi to kapataitan! Hindi to kapaitan! Itong grading, kisses... Hindi, magre-raid tayo. Tangina. Hindi ko trip. Parang pinapanood ko, crew. Hindi ko ata trip yung Warwind Smith. Parang napapansin ko din yung ibang streamer. Parang sandali lang nila nilaro. Tas tigil din. Parang napapansin ko. O, bulag na muna guys! Bulag! To end the stream. To end the stream. Yes! Eru! Yes! Nice, Eru! You got it! Ano, kala mo kabaitan? That is social climbing! Networking! Pero kung gusto mong isipin kabaitan yon, that's okay. Okay? Isipin mo lang, Ero, kabaitan yon. Sabi, I did it for my own, for the love of my heart, Ero. Huwag mong isipin yan ay for networking at social climbing. Okay? Huwag mong isipin yun, Ero. This is the kindness of my heart. Okay? Ero. Okay? By the way, ganda ng kulay ng nails ko. Tangina. Wait nga, pwede ko ba ipakita? Fit cam ha, sandali lang. Sandali lang fit cam. Sandali lang fit cam lang to ha. Bilisan nyo. Ready na ha? 1, 2, fit cam. Ay puta, nakita na pala. Tangina, nagbilang pa ako. Ayun o, puti. I'm so fabulous, bro. I'm so fabulous. Wait lang. Sino ba pwede nating i-raid? Sino ang pwede nating gamitin sa pag-social climbing natin? Ah, puta. Tang ina ni Guryo na talaga pa yan. Putang ina nyo. Sino pa? Sino pa magpa-flash bago ako mabuisit? Ha? Puta! Easy naman! Easy naman! Ah! Alright. Thank you guys for watching the stream. Maghahanap tayo. Sino kaya pwede nating Pwede nating Guys, stay tuned. Huwag mo na kayo malis. Guys! Mas okay pag nakasulat Kuya Omega give you 9 viewers kaysa 2 viewers. Stay!
Guys, stay! Huwag mo na kayong malis!
Mas okay sinabi Kuya Omega will rate 10 viewers kaysa 2. Stay! Sino choices mo sa raid, Pops? It's either si... Wait, share ko yung screen. Mayroon akong dalawang idea. Dalawa nasa idea ko. Wait lang. Hinaan ko lang yung tunog. Parang ang lakas ng YouTube music eh. Wait lang. Sino ba nasa share screen ko? Wait lang, share lang ako ng screen. Are we back? Fuck! Nawala na. Guys, nawala na kayo. Nalawala pa. Tang-inang yan. Guys, are we back? Meron akong 2 choices. Guys, meron akong 2 choices na i-raid. 2? Hindi ako rage better, Desert Doggy! Hindi ako rage... No! 4 viewers, come back! Come back! We need 2 digits! We need 2 digits! Wait lang, hanap tayo ng Hanap tayo ng hindi... That's true. Tama si Desert Doggy. Hanap tayo ng hindi hindi VTuber. Ay, wait lang. Guys, are we back? Guys, no! Guys, come back! Kailangan ko magmukhang maganda. Guys, let's make it 20 viewers. Putang ina na view. Na-flash pa ako! Fuck! Na-flash pa ako! Guys, ba't 0 viewers na lang to? Tangina, naglolo ko yung stream ko. Nakakainis. Wala na! Tangina, hindi na tayo magre-raid. Putang ina. Hindi na tayo magre-raid. Hanap tayo ng Ito kaya. Minsan na nga lang ako mabuting ugali. Tang-inang yan. Minsan na lang ako maging mabuti. Guys, are we back? Nandiyan na ba? Hindi nga. Are we back? Putang ina. Sagutin nyo kasi ako.
I couldn't resist.
Wala ako nakikita sa stream ko. Sadly, wala ako nakikita sa stream ko. Are we back? Wala ako nakikita sa stream ko. Are we back? Wala ako nakikita sa stream ko. Are we back? Wala ako nakikita sa stream ko. Are we back? Wala ako nakikita sa stream ko. Are we back? Are we back?
What are they called? Price packs?
Sana na ulo. Oh guys. I have 3 in my mind.
I spent $60 on the
Pili kayo.
box that included 2
Pili kayo guys. Si Bamu.
right?
Pagkabat niyo mga kina.
And then
Ayan si Bamu.
what What it is?
Si Domingo.
Get like a PSA 8.
Si Domingo.
Like a PSA 10 with 2 special
Or
packs as
si No KS.
Like from 1995s, like the base set.
Raid natin si PewDiePie. Guys, raid ba natin si PewDiePie? Guys, i-raid ba natin si PewDiePie? Guys, the bridge lover, PewDiePie! Guys! Hindi, wag. Seryoso. Wag. W networking! Anong other streamers? Doon agad tayo sa mataas! Si Kai Sinat ba online? Tagana. Ang sa taulo gago ko rin. Uy, si Monday online! Si Monday online! Hindi. Joke lang. Kayo talaga, oh. Wait lang. Ay! San si ano? Si Crew ba nandyan? Crew,
Are you here? Crew.
ba mo na lang madami viewer. Sige! Guys! Thank you guys for watching! Sabihin nyo na lang WCHU M57 Pro Raid! O, yun yung ilagay nyo sa raid, ha? WCHU M57 Pro Raid! Ayan, yun yung itatype nyo. I-copy nyo na yan. Okay? I-copy nyo na yan. Gusto ko ganyan, ha?
Gusto ko yan yung makita ko, ha?
WCU M57 not sponsored. Tama si CU. Not sponsored. Hashtag not sponsored. Tama. Eru. Smart. WCU M57 Pro Raid. Wag yung rage bait. Not sponsored. Okay? Not sponsored. Pero hopefully si Bamu medyo din kasi. Inaano ko din siya pag nanonood ako ng medyo may chaotic siya. Medyo chaotic ng konti. Kaya medyo parang magandang naano rin naman ako sa na to eh. Even though na robot siya, bitch over, it's okay. Okay? Wala pa! Putang ina, type kayo ng type sa ko. Wait lang. Hindi ko pa nalagay raid. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Hindi ako magsi-stream sa Monday. No stream on Monday. Okay? Paki-type na lang sa not sponsored. Okay? WCHU M57 Pro Raid. Not sponsored. Okay? Wala pa. Itatype nyo ulit yan. Di pa tayo tapos. Paalam guys. Thank you. Tang-inang yan. Di pa tapos yung putang inang yan. Okay, anyway. Guys, thank you again for watching. Bye-bye. Wait, paano i-type?
Putang na, pinusya ko nung kabilang team.
Hindi ko siya ma-read. Pre, di ko siya ma-read. Ba't di ko siya ma-read? Ba't ganun? Bawal?
Anti.
Alright, bye guys! Thank you guys for watching! Bakit 2 viewers lang? Damihan nyo para mas mukha kong pogi! Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!
Ay, okay. Spam, more. Oh, maliliit na lang. Bori.
Bye-bye!